the reality on the ground is a lot more terrible than it is on social media and Twitter. And if not sure, this is the whole room is filled with gunpowder, cement. We're gulping cement. My hair is filled with dust and cement, and the little kids behind me are terrified, in fear, the little ones. And we can see the pictures that follow quickly: whole buildings, residential buildings, businesses, Palestinian infrastructure, schools, hospitals, ambulances, medical centers. You don't know whether this is it.